Even you why be say your prick no fit stand for 3 minutes, make it stand on the own without support. You say you defy get where the wet. What you want use the water do? You want use that coconut rice? You're not the wet, you're not the wet. Your prick's long. No. If they walk
to end this insult, go and buy Adam's Desire and Tongra. Take these 2 supplements. This insult go end. Because now good question they ask. One of the things when they end marriage, now uncommunicated expectations. Your woman not fit tell you, she dey shame, she not fit tell you say you're not satisfied. And make her tell you, most women are not satisfied in the other room. So Oga abeg, go and buy Adam's Desire and Tongra. And buy Eve's Desire for your wife. And thank me later.